Oh, that wasn't good. Did you see the dust that come out of this? This is my heater that's in my bird room. I'm putting it away because it's like, well, not winter anymore. It's the middle of June. It's still actually cold today, but I'm not using this heater right now. And look I blew it out from the back. This is the front, and look, there were feathers in there. So that collected all the bird dander. So if you're thinking about getting birds, if you don't have any, they do produce a lot of the dander dust. And I'm going to be cleaning out my bird filter, and you're going to be amazed at what you see. So I'm just going to blow out the front, and maybe this will, well, blow out the back. Let's give it a whirl. Alright, so I'm going to blow it out from the front and see if anything comes out the back. So keep a close eye on this area here. Let's see. Oh, look at that, it's even worse. Oh, you see that? So did you see that big puff of feathers come out the other side? Feathers and dander, dust. I call it dust or dander. Yeah, so I'm just getting it ready to put it away for the summertime. And just because when I plug it back in the winter, I might forget I didn't clean it and all the hair will come out, it'll burn, it'll smell. But anyways, it's very important that you know that birds produce a lot of dust. Anyway, I want to show you something cute. Okay. Oh, there it is. I got 2 pigeons here. Look at this one. It's a cutie. This one over there. I've had 4 of them coming to my house, and there's a beautiful one that comes, and he's pied. But look at on top of my bird bath. There's a mourning dove. Isn't that pretty? Yeah, you can tell I love birds, right? Yeah, I do. Feed them. And also I videotaped them too. See my cameras? I got one camera like up there. I got one down there I just unplugged so I can use the plug, and I got this one up for the orioles and hummingbirds and all the animals that come. You can see them all on my other channel called Love of Animals. The link is down below in the description if you want to see them. But I have all kinds of birds that come here, and they're all beautiful. I just love watching them. There's some sparrows. I got all kinds of birds that come here. Oh, look, there's 3 of them now. That one in the middle has white flight feathers. It looks pretty. This is my air cleaner that I keep in my bird room. So I had to turn it upside down, and I took off the bottom, which is right there, and look inside. So I have to pull that out. It's pretty heavy. And look, you can see from here. Oh, that's all bird dander dust and feathers, fluff, anything to do with birds. But look at it all. So I am going to blow that out, and you're going to see what comes out of there. All right, I'm going to pull out this little, not little, big filter. Oh my God, this is a helpmate, by the way. Oh, it's snowing out. Look at that. Oh, it's just coming off. Look at all that. Did you see all that stuff? Look at it all. This side's got a lot. So anyways, you ready? Because I am. I like doing it. It's very like rewarding to blow all that stuff off. So I'm putting on my mask and I'm going to blow it away. I'm going to move this first. Whoa. that was rewarding. Now I am going to pull out the pre-filter. This one actually is probably dirtier than the other part of the filter. This is where it collects all the dust. Ooh. Look at this. Okay, I recommend you cleaning them, you know, more often than I do. Because look at that. That's horrible. Oh, you should see inside here. Let me show you. Oh, look at the ground. Look at my hands. Look in here. Alright, I'm going to blow that as well. Alright, here it goes. I'm going to blow this pre-filter. You can see all the dust. So watch what happens. Alrighty. Ready. It's going to blow away, but I hold it down. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's pretty bad. I got my mask on. Oh my. Feel that? Look at these puffs of smoke. Alright, so this is nice and blown off. I might give it another little blow, but you saw all that stuff that came off. So now I have to blow all this out of here and just a little bit from the bottom there and then just put it back together. So I am using my high velocity dog dryer. I am a dog groomer, so this comes in handy. You can use like a leaf blower or a blow dryer or anything that blows air. Some vacuums can blow some air. Anything that blows air you can use to clean out your air filter or one of those air cans, but it'll probably take longer. So let's blow out this and see what it looks like. Alright, here goes. Put my mask back on. That's come out of there. Look at all the dander that's on my little walkway here. It looked like it snowed a little bit. And all the birds flew away, but they're coming back. They're all just sitting up there. Where are they? Well, there was some up there. There's one over there. Oh, here they come. Look at that. They flew away. They knew the dust wasn't good for them. Although they make the dust. There they come. Look at, oh, the little sparrows. So cute. Look at them. I love sparrows. They're so cute. There's a red-winged blackbird. Oh, look at that one. Okay, you can tell I'm bird not. Okay, enough. There, that's much better. Everybody can breathe better now. So an air filter isn't just a benefit for humans. It's also for animals as well, and especially for the birds to have nice fresh air to breathe. And it'll cut down on dust that lands around your house if you have birds, especially cockatiels or any dusty bird. Cockatoos, they're very, very dusty. And yeah, so it's a benefit for everybody. And with this, the air quality that we have here in Canada, it's a little better now, but we had, you know, all these forest fires, which is making the air quality not so good. So an air filter really helped with that situation. So yes, I recommend to have an air filter if you have any pets, or even just if you don't have pets at all, just have an air filter in your living space. And see, all my birds are happy now. Hey, yes, I know they're it's relaxing time right now. They're all calm.